Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss you and teach you about like and I like operator. These like and I like operators are very powerful operators to select and filtering a specified pattern data rows from the data result set. It's very simple by applying these like and I like operators where we have to using two wildcard characters. That is, one is percentile, simply we can call it as a percentile symbol, and for this first percentile, for 0 or this percentile here, you'll see here, yeah, I'm writing here, it is for 0 or where one or multiple characters, one or multiple characters to identify using using and applying like operator. Filter, whenever we are going to be filtering, no, by applying multiple characters also we can apply by filter the data rows. Like means if the like this is happening, that I want to know and I want to see, like we are using. And one more wildcard operator, it is an underscore. This underscore, it will be used for single character representation. Character representation. The single character representation means if I specified underscore small s, it will be treated as second character as an s if the string is given like the column string is having the data value, the second string it is in the second character is having begins with s, it will be find out the data row and it will be get as an output data result set. And if it is two underscores, if I given like this, two underscore and s, third characters, if it is s is matched for that particular given string, this as an will be added in the result set data row. Okay, we'll see how we are going to applying these wildcards using like and I like operators. Let's begin with a real-time example. Like a simple table I'm taking is in a products table here. Now let's start with this. Now see here, select star from products. Execute. Yes. As we know that this is the result set completely, the products information. Using the wildcard of star, we have applied here all the columns we are able to get. And now by applying, I don't know the product name begins with either like a H, whether H is available here or not. I don't know. H is product name, it is going to be starting, but I don't know whether it is there or not. What I will do here, the specifying where class, filtering of the where class, and the name of the column, which column we are going to applying like operator, like product name I'm applying here. Write the product name here, right? Name like, now see here, like here we'll apply. Like what I have to do, take in a single quote, open and close, take one H as we discussed now and with the wildcard letter. Now just simply I'll execute this statement. If I get any, oh, no H begins with that like a product name is available. So we'll change into M. Yes, begins with M. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are available. And you see here the product name begins always, it begins with M only. All right. And if I see here about the explanation of the SQL statement here. The SQL statement where product name, like I have a given M, first M I have given, and next I have given a percentile of the world like a wildcard character. Now, if I specified like this, if the query, the result set should be match first letter of the given column string letters, first letter it would be M. It should be begin with M only. That is the result set only it will comes. If I given the same letter M, like a ending of the percentile and M I am specified, what will happen that case matching letters, if any like a product name is ends with M, those particular data rows only come. In this case, this is the scenario, the table data row is not having ends with M. We'll see here by changing the letters like A, M, A, Q, like ending with A. Yes, many data rows are available. Many means around 7 data rows are here. The result set we can see here, it's a 7. And C, Ikula, and Astora, Pavlova, Gula Makaka. And these are the products names which are available and ends with A. Strongly remember. Likewise, we can filter the data rows how we require. And one more thing, what I would like to give, like any AND or AN, if it is matching within complete whole string of the column product name. This is AN I am given simply, and first wildcard and AN percentile wildcard I have given means the column string which is the data is available, this product name complete data. If the AN is anywhere in the string, if it is matched with that particular string data of that particular column, it will be fetched as a result set and it will show as an output. We'll see now. Go over here. Yes, CHAN, it is matching. And AN, first letter only, AN, Antonis, and AN. See, many rows are available. It's almost 19 data rows are available with AN of the names. See here, anywhere you will find out that it is an SQL query and the system functionality, it would be most of the cases 99.9% is absolutely true result set it will give. Alright, and similarly that is the wonderful and powerful functionalities and the features are available in this particular like using of wildcards and like and I like operators. And one more thing I would like to show you in a demonstration with underscore, like what I will specify here, and simply same thing will happens here, and I will take underscore second letter as an H I am taking, and I'm applying for percentile means starting of the string which we are passing. Let's check it. First H is not available. Yes, second character H is available. Many around 8 total data rows are available. You check all the data results of this given strings is the second letter, it is an H only. And the last between reverse manner by applying this is on a percentile here, and S I am taking as a letter, and we'll check it now. From the last second character ends with S. I want to see the result set. Yes, these are the result set is there. First, worth, ghost, and lost, and familiarist, and sourced. Alright, this is the way we can simply applying the wildcard characters, and we can get the data from the database. Alright, and a very much simple example I would like to give you now, and applying like a capital, like how we are going to applying the letters that is in a capital letter or small letter. If it is in a like statement, we'll take care to understand whether it is in a capital or small, and it will be delay sometimes when you are writing I like query. Like I like means it will be treated whether it may be capital or in capital, means case insensitive, it can simply say that. Alright, it's not a case sensitive, in case insensitive letters also, whether it may be capital or small, it ignores and it will be returns the data set completely. That is the I like only. Whenever you don't know whether it is in a capital or small, you just simply pass it whether it is in a capital or not. You can check it. And something is I have an something is wrong here. Like you have to check that correspondence. MySQL is implementing like I like. If the I like is working functionality perfectly, select star from products where product name is an I like this is the way we have to pass it. I like will perfectly will works on SQL statements, whereas I have done and testing is happened with Postgres SQL. Successfully, it is working. All right. Using I like operator, you have to the places like all the like functions where it is applicable. The I like is also applicable. Whereas you have to specify clearly and know that case insensitive letters also it will be taken care and it will be give you a perfect output. Hopefully you will get a good idea about the like and I like operators. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.